For our last example, we're going to solve a direct proportion problem involving a percent. I'm going to show you two methods. Both methods will use a proportion, and both methods we're going to cross multiply or use cross products to solve. As we read through the problem, we're given that the price of a phone was $228. During a sale, its price was marked down by $45.60. We are trying to use a proportion to find the percent discount. In this problem, we're trying to find percent. Our first line gives us a percent and a value. It's telling us that $228 is the total cost of the phone. A percent that represents the total cost of the phone would be 100%. So we are going to set up a ratio of cost over percent. In this case, I wrote it as dollars over percent, which is 228 equals 100. We will then write a ratio that is equivalent to this using the $45.60 and the percent that we're trying to find. So we're trying to figure out what percent of $228 is $45.60. We could set this up as 45 6/10 over P. We will then cross multiply or use cross products. That gives us 228 times P equals 100 times 45 6/10, leaving us with 228P equals 4,560. When we divide both sides by 228, that leaves us with P equals 20. That P represents percent, and it is in the ratio with 45 6/10. So that means that $45.60 is equal to 20% of the original cost. We could say that the price was marked down by 20%. Another way we can solve this is by setting up a proportion that compares a ratio of percents equivalent to a ratio of dollars. I'm going to set this up as P over 100 is equivalent to 45 6/10 over 228. When setting these up, it is important to make sure that you are lined up with your equivalent parts. If you notice, I have P is on top equal to 45 6/10, and the 100% is on bottom, and that is equivalent to the whole $228. We could again use cross products, and when you do use cross products here, you'll notice that we are left with 228P equals 4,560, which again shows our unknown percent value equaling 20, which again shows that $45.60 is 20% of the original 228. Therefore, there was a 20% markdown.